This is the ORAP. I'm Dashan Hendricks, and here are the headlines for today. Taxi operators in Portland today protested the poor road conditions in the eastern part of the parish due to the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. The drivers who operate taxis from Long Road to Port Antonio claim that there is no order in which construction works are being done. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which began in January 2017, is slated to end in March 2025. On the crime scene, a man who police say is of Jamaican descent was arrested hours after he was listed as wanted for murder by law enforcement officers in Alberta, Canada. He has since been identified as 38-year-old Stavon Maurice Allen. Allen is now facing the charge of first-degree murder. Meanwhile, the police have charged a man with causing death by dangerous driving following a fatal three-vehicle crash on the Orlando Bamboo Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Sunday. Charged is Carol Biggs, who was the driver of a Suzuki Swift motor car that crashed into the rear of a parked BMW, forcing it to collide with another vehicle. Reports are that Biggs overtook a line of traffic and reportedly lost control of the vehicle that was heading towards Black River. 70-year-old Pauline Heavens of St. Catherine died in the incident, while 4 other passengers, including 2 girls, were taken to hospital, some of them reportedly in serious condition. And in regional news, British Virgin Islands citizens took to the streets outside the official residence of Governor John Rankin to protest recent recommendations of a report of a commission of inquiry. The report, which was examining allegations of corruption and abuse of office by elected and statutory officials, concluded that the country's government should cease to exist in its current format for at least 2 years. This would see the dissolution of Parliament, forcing the country under direct British rule. The protest coincided with planned meetings involving UK Overseas Territories Minister Amanda Milling with local stakeholders on the report. This is the ORAP. I am Dashan Hendricks.